Right guys, I have an unboxing here from PC World at Curry's, so let's not delay and just get it open. I think I know what it is, but I don't want to say it for the sake of looking stupid on a video. It's a lot lighter than expected, so I'm not sure if every single thing that I wanted is in here. Here we are. So it is, everything is in there. Stupid packaging. We've got this iwantit docking station included with my iPod 4th generation. So I'll do separate unboxings for these, but please watch my other videos on things like this. I also unbox my camera, so please comment, rate and subscribe. Thank you. Alright guys, so we're going to unbox this now. Most of you who've had one of these will know what it is. So without delay, let's get it out. It's the iPod Touch 4th generation 8GB. So I just thought I'd unbox it for you, just so you knew what it's like. So anyway, there's this safety seal here. Just pull this off. And there's another one. This here at the other side. Well, that's not going anywhere, but we only need one off. So, here we are. So much crap on this, honestly. This is like the first thing that I've got where I haven't watched like 50 unboxings for it. So anyway, that's all there is. I'm assuming behind here there should be some headphones. Or something along that nature. Ah, there we are. First thing I see, headphones. Headphones and a nice little wire. So, this is all you'll get. Inside your case you'll get some tips, a USB 2.0, some nice headphones, and the iPod itself. Okay, also I've got an unboxing of my docking station, which is an iwantit, so please watch that as well. Thank you. So here's my second package of the day. My first one was an iPod Touch. So anyway, let's get this open. That is actually perfect size. I thought it would be bigger, but I'm actually glad it's on this size. It's quite nice. Simple. That is the most simple package I've ever got. I've got that, and the docking station and wire. That is actually really good. Let's just get it out of this. See if I can figure out how it works. There we go. So it's got a little space for batteries. That's pretty nice, I suppose. Oh god, I've broken it. Alright. More space for batteries. That's actually quite smooth. I was honestly expecting this to be the cheapest docking station I could think of. I mean, I've got to be honest, it ain't very expensive. It does feel, it just feels pure plastic, but it does seem pretty good. So I suppose I'll do a quality test on this at some point. Oh, that is brilliant! Look at that! Wow! Oh god, I've broken something. No, I haven't. That is on. Oh. This is fantastic. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. And please look at my other videos. If you're into technology, I've unboxed an iPod before and I've unboxed my camera, so please watch them. And comment, rate and subscribe, it really, really helps. And that's all I can say, so thank you, good night.